You must be really scared. You must be really scared. You're way up there now. No, I think you're scared. I think I'd be scared too. Look, Kitty's here. Kitty ain't scared.
Kitty ain't scared.
Of course, Kitty has no idea what's going on, but...
Oh, here it comes.
Give us the countdown when you're ready, Benny.
Charge. System charge.
Yeah, you need a countdown. Calico, get away from the rocket.
No.
No.
Let me get her out of the way.
Alright.
I gotta get scared with something.
3, 2, 1.
I went the same place.
Still past the camera.
Oh my god.
Same spot all over again.
Oh dude.
It blew up.
It fell off. It fell in the broken too.
No.
There goes the rocket shell. That just floating away.
Yeah, I don't know what the head top part
It's right there. It's right there. This is.
We have a... Was that a design problem or a launch problem?
Oh, it's fine.
I'll go get that.
It's coming down.
A bunch of pieces. Benny, your rocket got destroyed. I hope you have a spare, what do you call it thing? Oh yeah, parachute.
Bring out the Columbia. Where'd it go? I lost it.
Atlantis is rolling out.
Oh shit, it's way up there.
Oh, look at all this shit.
Holy crap, it's way up there. That sun's killing me now.
but that's not all the,
Hey, it might actually land on the house. No, it's too high.
Sit down.
There goes the parachute without the rocket.
Actually, it is coming down.
It's going behind the house.
Cammy, you ready to fetch?
He's after it.
That's some good shit right there. That's some nice line.
Would you classify it as a design problem or a launch problem? R, what do you think?
I think it's a vodka problem.
Good point.
Question is not enough or too much.
That's not